Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we want to mount a TV in the bedroom in our RV, but the wall's kind of flimsy, so I'm not really sure if it'll hold the TV. So I'm going to show you a way that we can actually add some bracing to the wall and make it to where we can actually hang our TV off of this bracket, and it'll be just fine. So first thing what we want to do is, you'll notice like in your RV walls here, they seem like pretty flimsy, but we can actually look for the staple holes, and we can actually also feel the wall and then feel that there's a stud right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is find that stud, and then we're going to go cut a piece of plywood that's a little bigger than our bracket here, and we're going to screw it to the stud, and then we can go ahead and mount our bracket to that piece of plywood. So let's get that going. Okay, so we've cut a piece of plywood. We're going to go ahead and pick up that stud in the wall, and we're going to go ahead and screw this piece of plywood to that stud. All right. Now we've got a nice solid surface to mount our TV bracket to. So we'll go ahead and grab the TV bracket. Get that up there. Make sure we get all the screws put in there. Perfect. Okay. So we've got our TV bracket. It slides into this guy like this. We want to make sure we get it going the right way. And go ahead and line it up with the mounting screws. And we can go ahead and put our screws in here. Again, I like to get all of them started. Tighten those up. Now we can grab our TV and slide it on into the bracket. Perfect. Nice and solid.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.